First, the headlines. State observes Nupi Land Day. Chief Minister announces CM's Ima Nongthalema Yaifa Tengbang scheme. "22 Assam Rifles rescued one Meitei lady in Meitei Pangal from Gamgiphai, Kangpokpi. And curfew relaxed in Imphal East, Imphal West and Thoubal districts till 10 p.m. For Bishnupur and Kakching districts, curfew has been relaxed till 8 p.m. today. Good afternoon, everyone. This is the ELITETV English News Channel. I'm your host, Dipwarani, here to give you the exact news and details. December 12 marks an important date for the people of Manipur, especially the women. Nupi Land Day, which literally means Women's War, is one of the most important movements in the history of Manipur. This movement sowed the seeds of economic and political reforms for a new Manipur in the early 1940s. What started in the year 1939 as an agitation for Manipuri women against the oppressive administrative and economic policies by the then Maharaja of Manipur and the political agent Mr. Gimson, British government 1933-45, later evolved into a revolution for administrative and constitutional reform in Manipur when Colonel Maxwell in July 1904 introduced the abolished Lalup system, where men were required to perform free labor for 10 days after every 30 days. After 2 bungalows of British officers were burned down, the women rose up in the unison to protest against the injustice meted out due to the forced labor. On September 3, the same year, thousands of women gathered spontaneously and marched towards Maxwell's official residence. Talks of reconsideration came to naught, and October 5, over 5,000 women gathered at Kwaramban Bazaar in protest, refusing to move till the order was retracted. Manipur Valley is well known as a major rice-growing region. Even before 1891, rice was being exported out of Manipur primarily to Assam. The export quantities increased significantly and kept growing irrespective of the internal need and production. If reports are to be believed, from 1925 to 1983, there was an increase of only 10,322 hectares of cultivable land. The volume of the export, however, increased from 1,55,014 mounds to 3,72,174 mounds. In remembrance of the brave women, State observed the 84th Nupi Lal Day 2020 at the Nupi Land Memorial Complex in Imphal, who fought against the mass exploitation and artificial famine triggered by the then mighty British imperialist. Chief Minister N. Biren attended the state-level function as chief guest. The observance was also attended by cabinet ministers, MLAs, chief secretary, DGP, top civil and police officials of the state. Chief Minister Biren, along with his ministers, paid floral tributes to the brave mothers of the state who valiantly fought against the British rulers and sacrificed their lives in the agitation. The main function was held at GP Women College. Addressing the gathering, Biren said the state has been observing Nupi Lal Day every year as a remembrance of the courage and spirit shown by the women of the state. The Chief Minister further said, from today, from traffic point near Raj Bhavan to Pulei Romba Kongnang Kong will be known as Nupi Lan Road. The initiative has been taken up after a cabinet meeting held. He also said a scheme, namely CM Ima Nongthalema Riaipa Tengbang, has also been initiated. The scheme will benefit to those women who are above 40 years and who are not avail any facilities from the government. A beneficiary will get Rs 6,000 per annum. The scheme will be benefited about 40,000 women. Besides, the role of Ima Paibis who are protecting our state, staying whole night on street, are highly commendable, the Chief Minister added.
Scheme C Karino Sahi Ninfugi Matakta Legadaba, Sahi Ninfuji Suraba, Ninfugi Matakta, Aluka Makala Matagi Mangonda. Senhok later. High Nupi si sahi nipu ki matak hoy kada bani aduga senchok amada leitibra pencil phangdaba adagi karigo makhalam dagi skin phangdaba dagi dukan bazar phama gusu bazar do mari pofam leijadabi tanga ga phambi adugumba awaba maya dugi khallakanda pe government sina adugumba sahi nipu ki matak leiraba aduga topa scheme na cover to daba ise sing isen sing ima singo sahi imada lupa lising taruk hamzaba yaba hada lupa sama ki biga da badugumba scheme sigi maming si koina chief ministers ima nong khang leima yai pa tengba ngai dala pase koi khudak pe launch ko ba hore ya na
On the other hand, speaking about the present situation in Manipur, he appealed to the people not to take laws on their hands. Let the law do what is needed. He further said, we must know who is the friend and who is an enemy, and let us try to bring peace and normalcy in the state as soon as possible.
Madu thina bona bada madu mana bona bada ekoi le miner ba machine ju loina ekoi machine kaine na machine madu to bigro sigi por mayam se afabana karino hatabana karino se pe imagine su lairi ba koi politics to ri ba koi su lairi ba praja kuna makse achum aran badi khangna cha se to natatna achum ba gi marakta aran ba yawi ba mayam se khanto ku na nogru tar ga de anai boising duna aru boising khaldam yam da bu kumma ga pura ga thappa yaro shena ba yaro aduna masiba khatangdi jaga gi khun lekai da lebiri ba ima sing aduga volunteer sing please how gi bahawre sigi matung da di noida kana gumma drakam pharasu nasana warpi guno kubi guno ba Kamru bisa kineba, na jagana amar bisa kineba. Drug phare na khalasu, uran phare na khalasu, nongai yaw phare na khalasu, amma yaw phare khalasu. Maran na kuda leba police sinda sinabiyo. Adu lagadi any allegation do pilot. Senga nahan yun pimsa ni do singnai haro police ta. Moy chango reason jam ta karino koi na hangade koi se jati masya kainon chakrani. Police na udah si torko mo isi ta auto driver si price alu bono nabi ani si ju price alu bono ka hangbiyo hayo police na torko ni.
The Nupilan Lynching Committee also observed the day at Singjamay supermarket. This year, the Nupilan Lamjail was cancelled due to the present situation in Manipur. Floral tribute was paid to the photographs of those brave hearts who sacrificed their lives for the cause of their motherland. Minister Mahud Y. Khemchand, President of State Level Nupilan Lynching Lamjail Organizing Committee, Sarungbam O, Ongbi Medina Devi, Ex-Secretary Kabui Dharmasava, Manipur Gangmei, Sana Kabui and Salima Memcha attended as main guests. Speaking on the occasion, Minister Y. Khemchand and President of Organizing Committee S. Medini Devi spoke about the main objective of organizing the event and appealed to the people of Manipur to bring about peace and normalcy in the state.
He had the left and the Lamjin Pang for AC had the Kuntagani Toys for me. At when I see Pang Table Lamjin is what I to get Habada. A quiggy, the his Samagi Mamanga, when British now quiggy Lamjin Lloyd and Matunda. In my views in Sina, Laiwik had imagined Guna. Lloyd Talaba, which I town when I went to Sina for the Awasida, when a Lloyd Salasu, a quiggy. loi chanbagi minai nai thang jo khoi sungya ya roi haidana British ki mathakta khulai yaudana songa siba lando adugi pandam amagi makhada imai ben singduna apai gi kano si kari haini makhoi miro minai do khoi hainade yaroi apai minai nai thang ol sunga moi haidana apai isai yu phana leiri adana apai gi ning tambagi lamjen do haina apai gi tung gi mirol sina isai yu phana leiri aduga ning tambagi lamjen do apai lam thung thum yodri haina thabiramba lamjen amani haina pandamdagi makhada apai lamjen do pangthok sabani
Nupi Land Observation Committee, a committee of Amkil, Kanglame, Poire Lemerol, Chitua, Amawova, Nupi Samaj, Kawa, Tammi Jingmi, Wok, Memwak, Kil and CLK also observed the day at Imak Kuntongambi Shrine at DM College campus, Tangmaiban. President of Amkil, L. Ngambi Lema, President of Kanglame, Y. Ledik Lema, President of Poire Lemerol, S. Memcha, President of Chitua, M. Purnimashi, President of Protection and Preservation Committee, PH Nando Luang, President of Kabui Mothers Association, Atung P. Kamei, and Assistant Professor of GP Women's College, Department of Political Science, Dr. Firoja Syed, attended as main guest. Floral tribute was paid to the photographs of late Brave Hearts mothers. Speaking to media persons, President of Preservation and Protection Committee, Nando Luang, expressed the main objective of organizing the event and present situation in Manipur in detail.
Hojik Manipur Thugaina Honariba Mayam Manipur Kanaba Koigi Miam Sangjaliba Anigi Marakta Skumba Nupilangi Togo Oma Nasi Tolibase Adukimati Maru Hajabani Maramdi Hojik Manipur Thugaina Ba Tongan Matam Sunaba Kuchukla Paraga Kuki Jo terrorist Singina Makai Dagi Hoji Landa Honor Gibachida Kunak Paisina Kiana Madugi Mairong Yaba Aduga Amarumdana Ima Iben Kiana Adukumba Nomai bomb top kaya capsule ju ekoi thamoida Manipur kandabe ade Manipur de singna bakudingmak ekoi mama we bi ekoi lere maitei nupi sing ekoi leri Manipuri nupi sing ekoi leri haina sok thok chana ekoi chingnaba letana thawai pamudana ekoi lanfam da chalaga hojik Manipur kanaba honari Manipur kan ngakli machida ima kaya ama sokre sibisu yokre aduga makhata su lambi soroki nakalda ekoi maira sangya da leidana ekoi gi Single Pokima Makata, Tinagi Haidana, Akoi Ahin Kaya Tumdana, Mapum Kaya, the Nak Sindra lady. Skumba, Manipurgi Yamna, Ima Sing, Abdi Manipurgi Kunakpa, the Manipurgi Mipum Kudimana, Manipurgi, upon Basaktam, Kaiba Yarway, Habagi Piri, Mama, Mashi Lona Rivasida, Akoi Manipur Lingak, Amadi Gomel of Indiana, Tongan Bawan to Puraga, Kulnali Bakayabu, Lana Salana Honarpa, Aduga, Koigi, Manipur Kanabona Jariba. Madugi Manipur Kanaba Wangang, Lauriba Kiabu, Lana, Kogi, Lambi, the Salalaga, Maduda, Pana Punabo Honabuki, Togo Kiamatol Pase, Masita Wending Day.
Now we'll be taking a short break. We'll be right back.
Sri Hari Saranam. Purbasramda Aikoi Kwaipum Makpukon Biramba, Sri Sanasam Devatatta Singhana, Mahaki Nuksijaraba Imung Manung Sagainatei, Marup Mapang Kwaipum Makputadok Lamlaga, Hauki Batang Nipan, Irai Numita, Sri Gurugi Kripa the Gives Olaga, Sri Krishna Chaitanya Damodar Das Haibanam Pangjaduna, Brindaban Prapti Wakre. Lakli batang taraga humdoi, Shakishan numita, Asti Sanjay Lokacharaga, Lakli batang Kungamatoi, Sagol Sen numita, Jirao Sab Din Tokle, Toramasida, Brahman Vaishnav, Ahalaman, Imaibel Amadi, Marup Mapang Kwaipum the Magna, Matam Chana Ling Biraktuna, Harinam Sravan Tobinanapa, Nolucheri, Seba Pangjariba, Sanasam Tampasang Bidevi, Shadarmini, Sanasam Santara Singh, Machanupa, Sinjamay Maka Sorokaibam Lekai, Bishal Mega Mart Manak.
Khanghanjaba Imphal Municipal Corporation na khanghanjari madudi corporation asina paikhatjariba yumsarol praga IHHL letrin sabagi tongan ba scheme singi beneficiaries singdigi IMC gi mingda paisa khomba khaiba laklagadi madu thazabiganu amadi ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯊꯧꯑꯣꯡ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯔꯕꯗꯤ IMC ꯗ ꯈꯨꯗꯛꯇ ꯄꯥꯎ ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯔꯥꯟꯕ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯊꯛꯇ ꯑꯥꯏꯟꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯂꯧꯈꯠꯄꯗ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯄꯥꯡꯕꯤꯌꯨ꯫ ꯈꯪꯍꯟꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯖꯣꯏꯁꯤ ꯀꯦꯝꯞ, ꯃ꯭ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯁꯤꯄꯥꯜ ꯀꯃꯤꯁꯅꯔ, ꯏꯝꯐꯥꯜ ꯃ꯭ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯁꯤꯄꯥꯜ ꯀꯣꯔꯄꯣꯔꯦꯁꯟ꯫
Years of trusted diagnostic service, Babina Diagnostics.
Welcome back. Now moving on to the news. In a remarkable step taken up by the Assam Rifles, one Meitei woman and Meitei Pangal have been rescued by 22 AR new from Kuki women's crowd at Gamgipai near Kanglatombi today. According to a press release issued by the 22 AR, it has mentioned that around 5:30 a.m. today, the unit received an information about 2 individuals are being detained at Gamgipai by some Kuki women volunteers on basis of their identity. Immediately, a search operation was carried out to trace and rescue them. The 2 individuals have been identified as Laisham Lata, 45 years, late Akin Laisham of Sekmaijing, Kakching district, and Hussein Ahmed Ali, 51 years of Kwakta, Bishnupur district. The report further mentioned that on reaching the location, the team found out that a Muslim man and a Meitei lady were held by volunteers of Kotu Women Wing from Gangipai on 11 December at around 11 a.m. On detailed inquiry, the Muslim individual revealed that he was an auto driver and had picked up the Meitei lady from Imakaitil for Langjing. However, he forgot the way and reached Gangipai instead. Both were also under the influence of alcohol when they had reached Gangipai. The company cadres managed to handle the situation by urging the women volunteers to return both the individuals safely. Due to timely intervention and after persistent efforts, they were released and subsequently handed over to the OC Sekmai police station. One India Foundation has donated few items to the Sendra relief camp at Bishnupur today. Today's donation was held under the guidance of Professor Rakesh Sinha, Rajya Sabha MP of the Indian Parliament. Upon improvement in the law and order situation in the Valley districts, curfew has been relaxed till 10 p.m. today in Imphal East, Imphal West and Thoubal districts. For Kakching and Bishnupur districts, curfew has been relaxed till 8 p.m. today. Traffic is seen normal on the roads and people are seen buying essentials and other commodities during the curfew relaxation. For ELITETV News Channel, contact to the email address info@elitetv.in or 9402890982 and subscribe to ELITETV YouTube channel or follow on Facebook page, Instagram and Twitter for more information about the channel. Last but not least, let's look at the headlines once again. The state observes Nupilan Day. CM announces CM's Ima Nongthalema Yaipa Tengbang scheme. "22 Assam Rifles rescued one Meitei lady and Meitei Pangal from Gamgipai, Kangpokpi. And curfew relaxed in Imphal East, Imphal West and Thoubal districts till 10 p.m. For Bishnupur and Kakching districts, curfew has been relaxed till 8 p.m. today. Well, this is all for now. Thank you for watching. Keep watching ELITETV News for more.